shadows fill an empty heart. Love is fading for all the things that we are not seeing. Can we see beyond the scars and make it to the door? Change the colors of the sky and open up to the ways you made me feel alive. The ways I loved you, all the things that never die, to make it through the night. Love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Maybe before it's too late. What about now? The sun is breaking in your eyes to start a new day. This broken heart can still survive with a touch of your grace. Shadows fade.
The huma huma nuka nuku apua is the fish that I aloha. He likes to swim at the top of the reef near the beaches at Makaha. The little triggerfish I'm singing about is so colorful that he glows. But don't take your eyes off of him, 'cause he'll bite off one of your toes. He swims round in the ocean. He's the fish I love the most.